Today I'm making Suya chicken. So I've got my chicken here, which looks all clean. I cleaned it already with lemon. I have in here one small size onion, some ginger, and 3 cloves of garlic, which I will blend. I have in this bowl 2 tablespoons each of all-purpose seasoning and Suya spice. I have our sliced tomato, sliced onion, and extra Suya spice. These 3 are to go on after the chicken is cooked. And I have here my infused chili flakes and cloves with garlic oil. So we're going to begin by blending our onion, garlic, and ginger. Okay, so we're adding in here into our blender, and I'm gonna add a little bit of water into the blender just to help it to blend. Okay, so I'll add a bit more extra water just to help it to blend a bit more smoother consistency that I'm looking for. In that goes. Okay, so added in our blended onion, ginger, and garlic. And now we're going to go in with our mixture of all-purpose seasoning and Suya spice, 2 tablespoons each. That goes on there. And this is an optional step, but I'm going to add some oil onto the chicken. Okay, and we're just going to mix it all together. Okay, so I'm just going to leave this to sit for 10 minutes while I heat up my griddle pan. Okay, so after 10 minutes, our griddle pan is heated up, and now I'm just going to basically put on our chicken. And I'm using the griddle pan because what I really want is to get the smoky flavor or the chowder flavor that you will normally get when you buy it on the street, like back home. Because I don't have that, I don't have a grill, but I do have a griddle pan, which basically gives me that smoky flavor. So you have to make do with what you have. If you don't have a griddle pan, you can just grill it in your oven or cook it in the oven. It's completely up to you. I'm just getting the smoky flavor, and then I'm going to put this in the grill to finish it off, basically. Okay, so after 5 minutes, I'm going to turn it on each side. So you can see the smoke from the griddle pan, so it's giving me that smoky flavor into the chicken. I'm going to give this 5 minutes and I'm going to put it in the grill. Okay, so after 5 minutes, I'm just going to turn it. Now that I've got that smoky flavor, I'm going to put this into the grill on the griddle pan so that it keeps giving me that flavor whilst it's still cooking in the grill, okay? Okay, so our chicken has been in the grill for 20 minutes. And now I've taken it out, I'm just going to turn them over. Got a beautiful colour to them. Okay, so that's all turned over. Now I'm just going to sprinkle some Suya pepper. Then I'm going to put it back into the grill for another 20 minutes to make sure that it's fully cooked. Okay, so our chicken had been in the oven for 20 minutes and now it is fully cooked. It's looking lovely. Okay, and now we're just going to assemble our Suya. And I'm wearing this heat-proof gloves. Okay, so just going to cut it to pieces like they would give you if you bought Suya. Okay, so we're going to sprinkle some more Suya pepper. Lovely, lovely. And as with the shop, when you buy a restaurant, they'll put sticks in there for you. And now it's time for taste. Oh my god, this is so yummy. Okay. Thank you very much for joining me once again in my kitchen. Please don't forget to like, comment. Until you come my way next time again. See ya. Bye.